Hello everybody. So, working on getting back into streaming and everything. Just going to do a video right now. What I'm going to do is 4 packs of 151. Now you may notice that my setup's a little bit different. Well, I've tried doing a couple streams here recently and they haven't worked out so well. Got a lot of what I called phantom feedback, but after doing some research, turns out that the cable for my microphone might be broken. And if that's the case, that means my microphone is in essence turned into a radio antenna. So I'm going back to the basics here. I'm going to do one camera, one mic, and we are going to see if we can't identify which piece of equipment is broken. Pretty sure I know what it is already, but this is just going to let me work on it. Alright, so starting off, we got a seal. Doduo. Tentacool. Ratatat. Dragonair. Seadra. Kabuto. Like I'm watching freaking Naruto right now. Pharaoh. Rhymer. And Jinx EX. That is awesome. Pretty sure I needed that Jinx EX for my 151 master set. I'm getting close to finishing that up already, which is going to be awesome when I do. It's the first ever master set that I've gone for. I'd really like to pull all the cards myself, but I know that's probably not going to be possible, so I'm hoping to at least pull all the expensive cards myself, which would be very, very nice. Alright, so that was the pack number 1. It's always nice getting a full art. Now, I've already pulled the Charizard that I need to pull, the most expensive card in the set. Old Amber. Don't think I needed that one. Pidgeotto. Magmar. Shelder. Pinsar. How you doing, buddy? Bill's Transfer. Golbat. Eradicate. Old Amber again. And Charizard EX. Okay. Really, the cards that I need to finish the set are actually some of the easier ones to get. Like, I think I need a Kakuna, of all things. Let's go ahead and grab a sleeve and get that Charizard sleeved up. Let's see, how do you work in the TCG? Brave Wing. If this Pokemon has any damage counters on it, this attack does 100 more damage. Okay. Discard 3 energy from this Pokemon. Whew. That's basically a one-shot gamble to try and knock everything on the board out. Alright, pack number 3. Now, all 4 of these packs came out of the same binder collection. This will be the second binder collection that I open. The binder in question will be going to my little girl. Right now she's using a Snorlax binder and she has almost filled that thing up, so we're going to give her something bigger to work with. Lickitung, Venonat, Pidgey, Gloom, Dugtrio, Clefable, Mr. Mime, Magneton, and a Moltres. With basic energy. Haven't got any of the special energies yet either. Alright. Last pack. Here we go. So we're going to dig into this. Let's see what we get. So we're starting off a little unfocused. Coughing, how you doing? Tangela. Grimer, hello buddy. Psyduck. Parasect, Cloyster. Get that all nice and neat over there and straightened up. Sandslash, Geodude, Rattata, and Aerodactyl. Alright. That's it for the 151s there. And that's going to be it for the video. Like I said, we're just burning through this real fast. 4 packs, 5-minute video. Just trying our best to work out the kinks on this audio situation. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you liked it, please leave a like, subscribe. This is going to go up on YouTube. I usually stream on Twitch. At least I'm going to try and get back into that now. Haven't been doing it for the past year, trying to get settled into the new home. But everything's settled up now, so here we go. I'm going to try and get back into this. Thanks everybody and anybody that stops by to watch this. Feel free to take the code cards. I'm going to take and add both of these to my collection, my 151 master set, and see how many more cards I need to claim. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one.